kids, how are you? I hope all of you are good and safe at home. Now kids, this is your EVS class and I am your EVS teacher. Now I am going to start our next topic. This is my hobbies. So students, before starting the topic, I am going to show you some pictures and see the pictures carefully. So students, can you tell me what is happening in each picture? And when do we do these activities? So students, in first picture, a boy is playing basketball, and in the second picture, a girl is dancing, and in the third picture, some children are drawing something. Do you also like to do these activities? If you like to do these activities, so tell me, when do we do these activities? We do these activities in our free time. So students, today we are going to learn to know about each other's hobby. This is our aim. So kids, now I am going to tell you what I will do in my free time. I'll do cooking. So kids, I like to read books in my free time. I also like to cook food in my free time. Do you know what I feel when I do these activities? I feel relaxed and happy when I do these activities in my free time. So students, this is activity time. Now we are going to do an activity. So for this activity, you have to draw table like this in your notebook. You can pause the video and draw the table in your notebook. After drawing the table, you will go to your father, mother, brother and sister and ask everyone about their hobbies and write down their hobbies in your notebooks. So kids, I hope all of you have done the activity. So I also do this activity. So now I am going to discuss my activity. I asked my father. My father tells me that he likes watching television. My mother likes to cook food in her free time. My brother likes singing in his free time. And my sister likes dancing in her free time. Students, can you tell me, is there any other activity that we can do in our free time? So students, we may do some other activities like painting, drawing, playing, reading storybooks, gardening in our free time. So kids, now I am going to ask another question. Tell me, why do we do these activities in our free time? So kids, we do these activities in our free time because they help us to feel relaxed and happy. We enjoy when we do these activities, and these activities also help us to learn new things. So kids, I hope all of you understood the topic. So I post your homework, and after this class you will do your worksheet and open S3 of block 1 and do your work nicely. Till then, take care. Thank you.